Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to verify your identity on Cash App. So guys, let's start with seeing in this one. It's pretty easy to do that. First of all, you have to open the Cash App and just simply have to tap on your profile. Now from here guys, you have to locate for identity verification. If it's not showing here guys, let me tell you that you have to update your app. Okay guys, just simply you have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to update your Cash App. Once you have done this guys, after that you have to open Cash App and you have to follow the instructions. Tap on your profile. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to security and privacy sections, and you can easily see here verify identity option. Okay guys, it's not showing for me because I don't have this feature, because I have to do some process. Okay guys, go back from here guys, and if it's not showing here, go to personal section and you have to put your email address, or you have to put your address here, and then you can easily see the verification. Okay guys, just simply have to go to security and privacy and you can easily see here. Okay guys, now after that guys, let me show you here. If it's still not showing for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to go to home section, go to Bitcoin, and just simply have to go to buy Bitcoin and just simply tap on next. Let me tell you that you have to verify your identity for that. Here you have to put your phone number, and after that it will ask you to put your driver license or SSN security code number, or you have to put your first name or second name, and then you have to put your ID card, and you can also put your selfie. You can submit your verification request, and after reviewing it you will receive a notification, and you can easily verify your identity. So that's pretty much for today video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.